Investing for Beginners, the complete guide to building wealth wisely. Investing is one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over the long term. Instead of letting your money sit in a savings account, investing allows your money to work for you through the potential for capital appreciation, dividends, interest, and compounding returns. Whether you are saving for retirement, building wealth, funding your children's education, or working towards financial independence, understanding the basics of investing is an essential life skill. This beginner guide explains the fundamentals of investing, common investment options, and practical strategies to help you make informed decisions. What is investing? Investing is the process of putting money into assets with the goal of generating returns over time. Unlike saving, which focuses on preserving capital, investing involves accepting some level of risk in exchange for the potential to earn higher long-term returns. Example of investments include stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, mutual funds, bonds, real estate investment trusts, REITs, property, commodities, index funds. Why should you invest? Investing can help you build long-term wealth, beat inflation, generate passive income, prepare for retirement, achieve financial goals, diversify your assets, benefit from compound growth. Starting early gives your investment more time to grow. Understanding risk and return. Generally, investments with higher potential returns also carry higher risk. Example, savings account, low risk, potential return low. Government bonds, low risk, potential return low to moderate. Corporate bonds, moderate risk, moderate return. Index funds, moderate risk, moderate to high return. Individual stocks, medium to high risk. Potential return is pretty high. Cryptocurrency, very high risk and also a very high potential return with very, very high significant risk. Never invest money that you need in the short term. Common types of investment. Stocks. Buying shares means owning a small part of a company. Investors may benefit from capital appreciation, dividend income. Stock prices can fluctuate significantly, making diversification important. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. ETFs contain a collection of investments that trade on a stock exchange. Benefits include like diversification, lower cost, simplicity, broad market exposure. Many beginners actually start with diversified ETFs. Mutual funds. Mutual funds pool money from many investors and are managed by professional fund managers. They can provide diversification but often have high management fees than index ETFs. Bonds. Bonds are loans made to governments or companies. They generally provide regular interest payments and are often considered less volatile than stocks, although they still carry risk. REITs, real estate investment trusts. REITs allow investors to gain exposure to real estates without directly owning property. Many REITs distribute a significant portion of their income as dividends. The power of diversifications. Diversifications means spreading your investments across different assets, industries, and regions to reduce risk. A diversified portfolio is generally better positioned to withstand market fluctuation than one concentrated in a single investment. The importance of long-term investing. Markets naturally rise and fall over time. Trying to predict short-term market movement is difficult even for experienced investors. Many successful investors focus on long-term investing, consistent contribution, diversification, and patience. Common beginner mistakes. Avoid these common investing mistakes: investing without research, chasing quick profits, putting all your money into one investment, letting emotions drive decisions, ignoring fees, trying to time the market, investing money you cannot afford to lose, failing to review your investment goals periodically. Practical tips for new investors: set a clear financial goals, build an emergency fund before investing, invest regularly where appropriate, diversify your portfolio, keep investment costs low, continue learning, stay disciplined during market volatility, review a portfolio periodically. Okay, FAQs, frequently asked questions. How much money do I need to start investing? Many investment platforms allow beginners to start with relatively small amounts. The key is developing consistent investing habits rather than waiting until you have a large sum. Is investing risky? All investments involve some degree of risk. Understanding financial goals, investment time horizon, and potential risk tolerance can help you choose investment that align with your circumstances. Should beginners buy individual stocks? Should beginners buy individual stocks? Some beginners prefer broadly diversified investments such as index funds or ETFs because they spread risk across many companies. Others may choose individual stocks after conducting thorough research. Can I lose money? Yes. Investment values can rise or fall, and losses are possible. Diversification, long-term planning, and informed decision-making can help manage but not eliminate risks. Final thoughts. Investing is a journey, not a race. Successful investors typically focus on long-term goals, maintain discipline, continue learning, and avoid making emotional decisions during periods of market volatility. You don't need to predict the next market winner to build wealth. Developing a diversified portfolio, investing consistently where appropriate, and allowing time for investments to grow can help improve your chances of achieving your financial goals. The most important step is to start learning, understanding the risks involved, and make informed decisions that align with your personal financial circumstances. Continue learning about business, finance, investing. Financial literacy is one of the most valuable skills you can develop. The more you understand investing, business, technology, AI, and the global economy, the better equipped you will be to make informed financial and business decisions. On this website, you will find practical articles, tutorials, and insights covering investing and personal finance, business growth, strategies, AI, digital marketing, entrepreneurship, technology trends, productivity tools, e-commerce, SEO, and content marketing business case studies. If you're a business owner or entrepreneur looking to grow your company through digital transformation, AI adoption, or effective online marketing, I also provide practical training and consulting services through Janice on training and consulting. My services include business growth strategy, AI for business and marketing, digital marketing strategy, SEO, search engine optimization, website design and development, WordPress and Shopify and training, e-commerce strategy, content marketing strategy, corporate training and workshops, one-on-one business consulting. With over 25 years of experience in business development, sales, marketing, consulting, and professional training, I help individuals and businesses build practical skills, improve performance, and achieve sustainable growth in today's digital economy. Explore my free tutorials, read more expert articles, subscribe to my YouTube channel for practical business and technology insights, or contact me to learn how my training and consulting services can support your professional and business goals. Knowledge is one of the best investments you can make. Start learning today and build a stronger financial and digital future. Contact me now. For this article, please note that this article is for educational purpose only and should not be considered financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Always conduct your own research and consider seeking advice from a qualified financial professional before making investment decision. I'm not a financial advice. I just put up this investment article for your knowledge, for education purpose. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll also put this article link in the description. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.